Hi guys. Well, I've got my ellipses drawn on there with the cans, and the cans are big and fill the page. And I just wanted to show you some things about how you can measure things out. So like with this can right here, I can make sure that this is all correct by just marking it on my ruler and then bringing it up, and it matches. And then to get these sides nice and straight on your smaller can, you can also measure, line up your paper on the table so it's even right here. And you can come over and just measure from the side and make sure that it's the same all the way down. And then for your ellipses, and like this can right here, you can go ahead and measure it too, like the 6, and carry it all the way down and make sure that it's the same. And then you can draw your major ellipses in your mind or make sure they're all correct. And on this last can right here, you want to make sure that these circles in the can right here, they are going to be round too. So I've got this all correct. I use my ruler, and the ellipses are correct. And then this one down here, this ellipse is matching the top one. Okay. So then I'm going to maybe count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So then you just kind of mark them. And they do indent on the can too, so it's not perfectly straight. So then just bring that around. And there is a little bit of a room right here. So I'm just going to have your eraser with you. You don't care about erasing. So maybe I'll start it right about here. And it's kind of rounded. And now I want to follow this one. So I'm going to follow this one around. And you can measure what also, like if you went down here to that, measure it, come over here and make sure it's the same. So it's going to be on there. So then you just follow that through, make that round with a contour line. Remember, a contour line is just one single line, outline, no values. Okay, so it's kind of rounded, so I'm going to follow that again. Just come over here like that, follow it again. Okay, now I'm gonna, my pencils are really nice and sharp. I've got my pencil sharpener and everything. I'm just gonna start with my darks on this side of the can. Okay, over here. So I'm just gonna come down and I'm just gonna use a 2B. And remember how we did that value scale? You're just gonna color that in. And you know, on this one right here, you wanna kind of leave this. You can divide it and do light, dark, light, dark. So you just kind of, I'm going to come in there. Maybe I'm going to save that for the next demo, okay? So you're going to start off with your mediums. Don't get too heavy-handed. You're going to fill that in, okay? All right, part 2 is coming up.